More talk of Alabama as we take a live look downtown. So beautiful, so much sunshine out there. We hope you're having a wonderful morning. We're back live with more local savings coming to the Birmingham Metro this spring, June 2022. Ziscuit. Ziscuit is a grocery search engine that aims to save shoppers time and cash. Developed by Selma native Mark Anthony Peterson. Mark joins us live right now to explain how Ziscuit works. Happy Thursday, Mark.
Happy Thursday to you.
Something tells me you've been at the grocery store shopping lately.
Yeah, something, right?
Not that. No, Mark, no. Not that. Grocery prices.
Right.
Out the roof now.
Through the roof.
Yeah.
Inflation, shortages have all driven up grocery prices. And people were feeling pain before that. So you add those to the table and a lot less food for people because the money just doesn't go as far.
And so Mark has just developed a grocery search engine. We're going to talk about that in a moment. But first, who is Mark Anthony Peterson and what is Ziscuit?
As you mentioned, Selma native, graduate of Selma High School. I've been an entrepreneur for a lot of my life. Also spent time as a corporate executive with places like General Mills, Accenture, First American, and just very happy to be back building products that can help people. And so Ziscuit is a search engine that helps people find the cheapest products faster. My mom, my late mom, spent 2 hours every week trying to find coupons, look through flyers, making multiple stops, and never were able to get enough food that she wanted for our family. I wanted to change that with the Ziscuit. Put your list on the platform, and immediately we tell you where all the items are the cheapest within your shopping radius.
And you kind of just explained it, but I'm going to ask you how Ziscuit works. So you go to the website, the online search engine, you type in a food, or what do you type in, and then what does it show you from there?
So when you get to the website and log in and create an account, you do what you do at any other shopping platform. Create your shopping list, click the items, if it's Sprite, Coke, Pepsi, Cheerios, whatever the brands are, put it in the cart, and then you configure how you want to shop. How many stops you want to make, how far from your address you want to go, and what types of stores you want us to search within. Then just hit go. We bring back up to 15 different options that can save you from $5 to $15 versus your primary store. That's real savings. That can put more gas in your tank, more food on your plate, and more smiles on your faces.
Incredible. How do you know what's in grocery stores in stock?
Well, as a small company, we don't all have access to what they call, is a technical term, API that gives me real-time data, so I have to do like any other scrappy startup. We're web scraping the prices off the websites of people like Walmart, Publix, Kroger, and dumping that into our database. Now the goal is to do like some of the bigger delivery companies and access those gateways that will give us the real-time prices and make that a lot easier. But we scrape pretty fast, we load pretty fast, so the prices are consistent with what you see in the store.
How are test runs going so far?
Test runs are going great. We
Good.
launched at the end of a TechStars program in Atlanta in 4 zip codes, and we're showing some tremendous results for people who need it the most.
Incredible. Right now, Ziscuit is being launched from Innovation Depot, downtown Birmingham, that trendy innovation area where all the different startups are getting ahead right now in the nation. And Mark, whenever it comes to Birmingham, we're saying this June 2022. Is that the launch date here, or is that the launch date for the entire engine?
That's a great question. We want to start like we did in Atlanta and start in a couple of zip codes to make sure we have everything working right, and then we'll expand all across Birmingham as quickly as we can. We want this feature that we're rolling out here in Birmingham to be special because I want to be able to announce that we're going to pay people to use the platform. And what we mean by that is we're going to let you take surveys where you can make up to $5 that you can use to make your groceries even cheaper.
Wow.
And that's going to be a fantastic way to help us fight things like food deserts, which are important to Mayor Woodfin here in Birmingham, and food insecurity. If I can give you $20 more of real cash each month, I think we can put a lot more food, a lot more gas, and like I say, a lot more smiles on people's faces.
And I know you don't want to give out too many details so early, a few months away from launch, but what do you have to do to make that money? Will you have to kind of give some pricing that you see within the store?
Yeah, like most search engines, Google or Kayak, we'll make our money in phase 1 through advertising. So local businesses, local products, if you want to put those in front of the shoppers who are using our platform, we'd love to work with you. We'd love to help you grow your revenue, and we'd love to establish an advertising relationship. The second way is with those surveys that we mentioned. We have larger brands who want to know if you love their products. They're going to pay us, and we're going to share that money with you for taking those surveys. So those are the two ways we'll make money off this platform.
Mark, a lot of moms and dads watching right now, glued to the TV screen, trying to take all this in. Ziscuit, launching again 2022 June. How do we know when it launches? Is there a website we go to?
Great question. Our website is ziscuit.shop. So Ziscuit, Ziscuit, sounds like biscuit, because I named it after my daughter, Biscuit. I call her Biscuit.
Really cool.
Yeah, and so we're gonna launch in June, but you can pre-enroll now. You can go ahead and create an account, and as soon as we go live, we will automatically send you a notice when we're active in your zip code.
And your late mother was a couponing queen. What do you think she would say about this?
I think she would be very happy.
Yeah, very proud of you. You're gonna make me cry over here.
Yeah,
I
wasn't expecting
I know
that
she's
question.
proud of you. I know she's proud of you.
Yeah.
It's gonna be huge. Any national attention right now?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, we wrapped up the TechStars program, and just yesterday we got featured in a magazine called Fast Company. They truly, like Mayor Woodfin and people on his staff, believe that Ziscuit is the way that we can fight food deserts. The problem is, hunger is not a food problem. Hunger is a logistical problem.
Really? How so?
Well, you have underserved communities. It's not that money's not there. We just don't know how to aggregate the demand so that we can provide them access to the cheapest products at the time when they need them the most. Now, ultimately, when Ziscuit's done, we're going to be able to deploy food lockers in underserved communities so that we can not only show you where the cheapest food, but to buy it and bring it to where you are. Traditional grocery stores don't work in food deserts, but a product like Ziscuit can bring the food to the people who need it the most at the best price.
Where did you do your research? You know all of it. It's so smart.
Being around a lot of smart people like yourself.
Wow,
My mom taught me to be humble, to listen, learn, and give back. And part of that has soaked into me, and I've been able to be around some really incrediable people.
One last question. I know you're from Selma, right now working at Innovation Depot there in downtown. Are you living in Birmingham right now? Have you made that switch?
I am living in Birmingham.
Welcome to the team.
And please, everyone, come to our demo day on May 11th, because I'll be more excited to explain our future in Birmingham, because we want Ziscuit to be a part of this community.
May 11th. Where's that going to be?
At the Innovation Depot.
Innovation Depot downtown. At what time?
We haven't set a time yet, but as soon as we do, check my website. We'll be publicizing that demo day.
May 11th. You, sir, are incredible. I know your mom's proud. Selma native Mark Anthony Peterson, the founder of Ziscuit, coming to the Birmingham Metro June 2022, and we cannot wait, Mark. Thanks for coming on the show. We want an update.
Absolutely.
We got to sit down and talk. It's a lot to talk about when it comes to this. So
it is.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much.